Okay guys, so hopefully this records right, but I have some fooling with these foils again. This is kind of like a Burberry foil, so y'all can see. And I've done the thumb already, and what I have decided is I'm going to do the foil and then in between where it's missing some spaces, because no matter what video I watch, what I see, what y'all tell me or whatever, this stuff, I don't know how y'all do it. I watch a video where they put the foil on and pull this stuff out and it's all over their whole nail, and I don't see how they doing it, because and maybe I need to try a different foil glue, but I've seen it done with the glue that I have, which is why I really haven't wasted money on buying another foil glue. I have put a lot. I put a little bit. You know, I've tried it with a lot of glue, saying maybe I ain't have enough. I've tried it with a little bit of nail glue, saying, okay, maybe I had too much. I've done it on 60 seconds. I've done it on 90 seconds. I have 3 lamps here. I've tried different lamps. So, you know what? I don't know how y'all doing it. I don't even know how they do it in the nail salon. Get this stuff. I did the alcohol first. I made sure I came home. My nails are bare. They are clean. There is nothing on it. I'm putting the foil on it. I have made sure it was tacky. I've made sure it was wet. I have done so many different things, and unfortunately for me, this stuff does not stick on the nail all the way. It just does not. Even what y'all said, rub it down, rub it down. I've got a tool over here. I've tried to use even a butter knife to rub this down, and when I pull it off, everything is not sticking. So God bless those of you who know how to use foils and do foils. It ain't sticking. And like I said, I'm probably, look at that, gonna try another foil glue, but I didn't want to waste the money on another foil glue, because like I said, I have seen it done with the glue that I have. But maybe I need to get another foil glue. And the glue that I have is the Macarat foil glue from Amazon. They have really good products. They have really, really, really good products. And I have seen videos of people using the Macarat foil glue and just snatching this thing off, and it's ready to go. So I came up with a solution, and my solution is that I'm going to put gold polish, gold glitter polish, probably some stones, but I'm going to put gold glitter polish where I'm missing, where it's patches at. So if there's patches where it just did not want to cooperate, I'm gonna put this Fun Gel glittery polish. I love that polish. I want to order some more. It's kind of expensive. I'm hoping he has a sale for Memorial Day. I think it's like E-Couture or something. I had found him on Facebook, and I took a chance on ordering that because it was so glittery and beautiful, and it's like holographic. And I love it. And I want to order a silver and another gold. Okay. So here's the nail. Let me see if I can get y'all. So I'll take a picture of it, or have baby girl take a picture of it so y'all can get a closer view. But what I'm going to do where there's little patches is I'm going to put the gold glittery polish. And that should help take away from seeing the patches. And then I think I'm going to bling out a nail, and then one of the nails I'm probably just going to do like a tan or a brown because of the colors in here. But yeah, now this one I'm going to do We're going to leave it under there for, I'm going to do, mine does not have 90. So I'm going to do the 60 and then I'm going to do 30 more before I put it on here, and we're going to see what happens. But I have still a lot of foils to use, like my Gucci, my Louis Vuitton foils and all of that. I have a lot of foils to use. So I'm going to use these babies, but I probably will not fool with foils again after I use them. I probably will just find the stickers, and use the stickers. But I'm not going to fool with the foils again because it's just too blotchy. It doesn't come off properly. Just too blotchy. Even if I tried to do it halfway, it still gives me blotches for some reason. My nail lady will do it, but I think she said like $5 a nail or something like that. And I may do it next time just to see how she do it, but I see how people are doing it and it's just not working for me. So that was 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna do another 30. Now this may be too much. That was 60. I'm gonna do another 30, and we're gonna see. I've done 30, I've done 60, now I'm doing 90. Now we're gonna see. I've tried, like I said, I got 3 lamps. All right, so that was, oops, let's put it on here. Get it on the nail. I'm getting it on the entire nail. Y'all see that? And one time I even put it back under the lamp with this, with the foil on it. I was like, let me just put it back under the lamp with the foil on it and see what happens. Honey child. Honey child. Honey child. All right. Now that was a lot better. That was a lot better. Can y'all see that? A lot better. There's a blotch at the bottom, but that's a lot better. So I think it's going to be 90 for the next hand. I hate when my computer locks when I'm working. All right, so 90 it is. It's going to be 90 for the next hand. We're going to see if that's what it is. It's going to be 90 for the next hand. So let me go ahead and do the next hand, and I will come back and let y'all know. I'm going to do 90 seconds because that took off more than it has ever. Now, there's still like a space on the side that I'm going to have to probably put some glitter. Yep, I'm going to have to glitter that. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I am back. I will try to get you a clip outside in the sun because you're not going to be able to really see the glitter and the bling. But I was able to. This hand turned out a little bit better than that hand. So 90 seconds gets me pretty much most of the foil on there. 90 seconds. And that's what it looks like. It looks a lot better in person, which you guys will see. But I feel like, I don't know. I feel like it looks better in person. But I feel like I don't like this Burberry foil. Because I feel like, because it didn't come off the right way, it looks messy. I don't know if I can show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I did 2 nails with stones, but I feel like the Burberry, because it's so blotchy, it looks kind of messy. So I don't know if I'm going to leave this on or not. I might. Because like I said, in person, it looks, it looks a little bit better in person than it does on camera or in the video. But I just feel like when you get that blotchiness, I don't know how I'm feeling about it. But that's another reason why I'm glad that I skipped like 2 nails on each one and didn't do all 10 with that, because I would have been mad. I'm trying to get y'all some lighting, but it doesn't want to cooperate. But I am going to get a clip out in the sun, because the glitter and the glitter on it makes it look a lot better in person. I'm going to have to wear it for a day or two before I decide, like, which way I really want to go with it. But the glitter on it makes it look a lot better, like, in person. Because it's very shiny. Like, this nail looks nude to y'all, but it's really like a glittery color. Y'all can see the glitter. And that polish is from what's his name, E-Couture. I think it's E-Couture something on Facebook. I showed y'all that before. I'm gonna go on there because I actually just used it all up. That is it. I love that polish. I do want another gold, and I do want the silver, and he has another color that I want that he's always posting. So if you need that information, let me know so I can actually go over to Facebook and like comment to your comment about it. But yeah, so I like them. I read some of y'all comments about the nude, so I may do that next time. Just do like a milky, T was telling me she had a milky color whenever she just wants to go natural. Maybe I'll just do a milky color. I don't know how long I will last without any bling, y'all. Maybe I need to find like a blingy, nudie, milky that has a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's really milky, because I don't know how many days I can go without anything on my nails. I really don't. I actually love junk nails. I love a lot of stuff on the nails. These could come across as junk nails. I just don't like the way the Burberry came off on there, but I'm getting it. I'm getting used to it. I may not use this Burberry one no more. That might be a waste. Or I might do one nail with it. I won't do all like this. I won't do all of them like that, because I feel like it's just, I don't know, like a blotchy of polish. You know what I'm saying? Like bleep, 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 bleep. That's what I feel like. And then I was going to put stones on the Burberry, but there is some glitter on the Burberry, which I'm going to show y'all. So I was like, let me just not overdo it. So I didn't put stones on the Burberry, but I was going to put a couple of small stones all over the Burberry, but I just left it be. I did not have her cut them down this time. She asked me, did I want them cut down? I said no. I think I'm going to go as long as I can without having her cut them down. I want to see how long they're going to be. So I don't think that, unless she complains about something, I'm not going to do the cut down anymore. Every time she asks me, do I want them cut down, I'm just going to say no. Even though I say that every time and she's still asking, I just kind of feel like, I don't think it's enough sun over here. I just kind of feel like if I want them cut down, I'll tell you I want them cut down. But anyways, I'm just going to say no every time for as long as I can, to see if I can get them a little bit longer. I would like them probably about 2 or 3 inches longer than what they are. That's what I would like. So I'm not going to have her cut them down or anything. I'm just going to have them keep growing out and see how far I can get before she starts complaining. If I can get to the level that I want to get to before she starts complaining, then that's what I'll do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to the end, because I'm going to go outside and let the sun hit this bling. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, guys, I'm trying to go outside so you guys can see a close-up and see it in the sun. Sparkles really, really cute in the sun. I still don't care. The Burberry looks very messy. Like, I guess you can tell it's Burberry, but it looks blotchy and messy. I don't know if y'all seeing the same thing I'm seeing. It's a lot of work to drill this foil off, so I don't know if I'm going to drill it off or not. I may just have to leave it be, but I don't think I'm going to use the Burberry foil again. If I do use the Burberry foil again, I may use it halfway and like put something else on. I don't know, because I'm not liking the way it's looking. I know y'all can tell by how I'm talking. I'm not liking the way it's looking, but I'm going to suffer through. I'm going to suffer through. Y'all let me know what y'all think. These nails I will be wearing from May 28th to June 13th, I think. 3 weeks. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me.